Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're given the expression 2x plus 6 over x plus 2 squared minus 2 over x plus 2, and we're told that this expression is equivalent to a over x plus 2 squared, where a is a positive constant. So to find a, we're going to have to convert this into a single fraction with the denominator x plus 2 squared. So 2x plus 6 over x plus 2 squared. This one's all set. This one already has the denominator. For this one, minus 2 over x plus 2, to get the denominator to x plus 2 squared, you have to multiply x plus 2, which is the current denominator, by x plus 2. Of course, to keep the fraction equal, you have to multiply the numerator by x plus 2 as well. This is going to give you, not touching this one yet, 2x plus 6 over x plus 2 squared, minus 2 times x is 2x, plus 2 times 2 is 4. And again, we did this so that the denominator is now x plus 2 squared. Because now we have two fractions with the same denominators. So when we're subtracting them, we can subtract the numerators and keep the denominator the same. So we have 2x plus 6 minus 2x, don't forget to distribute the negative, minus 4. This is all over x plus 2 squared. Last step, 2x minus 2x is 0, so those cancel out. 6 minus 4 is 2 over x plus 2 squared. We were told at the beginning this is equal to a over x plus 2 squared. So from this, you can see the denominators are the same and the numerators are the same because they're equivalent, so therefore a is equal to 2. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.